What's up, YouTube? Today we are going to be installing some Sullivan Racing Products pedals in my C6 Corvette. It looks like it's going to be a relatively easy job, but I didn't see anything on YouTube for it, so I figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride. I found these pedals a while back. Sullivan Racing Products makes them for a myriad of cars, but they'll make them to your spec, your finishes, you know, a bunch of choices for what you want that to feel like. Really nice, not inexpensive, but seem like really nice parts. So let's get to it. So first things first, in a C6 Corvette, this is a 2010 by the way. I think throughout the platform years this should probably be the same, but I'm gonna do the brake pedal, and as you can see here I've already drilled the hole. Basically, you're going to start with a 1/16 inch drill bit, and then you're going to go to a 3/16. So basically, you're going to fit the pedal, choose where you want your mounting holes to be, and mark it on here, and go ahead and drill the holes. This looks like I'm going to do a 2-hole mount. Your mileage may vary, but I think I can get away with that. It's aluminum. The pedal is aluminum, so it drills pretty easy. Doesn't even require any cutting fluid or anything. It just plows right through. Just take your time. So I guess I'll go ahead and drill the last hole out, and we'll get this one mounted. Okay, so now you can see that we have our holes drilled. Let's take a peek at the pedal. So the brake pedal actually has kind of a nice kind of raised pyramid kind of texture to it. Machine work is really nice. I'm happy with the purchase. These are pretty good. Basically these are going to go on with 2 cap head machine screws and some nylock bolts, so you don't have to use Loctite. So I'll try it for a while. I may pull it off and Loctite them anyway. These pedals are really never going to come off this car, so either way, let's get this one put in. So there we have the brake pedal installed. No play, nice and tight. Looks good. So next we got to look at the accelerator pedal and the dead pedal. I'm not sure if I want to try and install these in place or pull them out. I think for the dead pedal for sure, because I'm not sure what is under there. With the dead pedal cover, it looks like there's 2 retainers. One right here, 10 millimeter. Got them loosened up already, so I'm going to try and remove them, and we'll see if this cover just comes off nice and easy like I hope it will. Yep, so just like we thought, it just slides right off once you take those 2 retainers out. So now we can work on this outside of the car. While we're in here, I'll show everyone what's back there underneath it. Alright, so now that we have the kick pedal cover out, I did go ahead and tape this one so I can see my marks a little bit better. You just take your dead pedal, line it up where you'd like to see it. And go ahead and mark it. So now that we have it marked, we're going to go ahead and drill it with a 1/16 drill bit. And then you actually mount this with some small self-tappers that come with the kit. Alright, so we got the dead pedal installed. Another cool thing they did for me is this right here. I actually asked for that, so you have some ability to do some custom work with them too if you just give them a buzz and talk to them. Really easy to work with too, but really why I did that is I want to do some laser etching on the dead pedal. kind of the name of the car or something, Corvette, something in kind of like the Corvette font. But anyway, something I thought was kind of pretty interesting that you don't get to do with a lot of pedal manufacturers or stuff. If you're just buying pedals off eBay or whatever, you know, you don't really get that choice. So anyway, we'll go ahead and put this in, and we're almost done. Just the gas pedal to go. Alright folks, last pedal, the gas pedal. Against my better judgment, I'm going to go ahead and do it in place. My gut tells me to take the pedal assembly out. I've got another part that I've got to install, a throttle controller. But I just really don't feel like crawling up under there, because it does not look like it's going to be a very easy fit for a fat old guy with a bad back. But anyway, we've got it taped up, so I'm going to go ahead and place it. Go back and forth a couple times, make sure I'm not impeding any throttle travel on a go-fast car. That would be no good. And mark it and go ahead and mount it. This will mount just like the dead pedal, so a 1/16 drill bit, so just basically doing a pilot hole and a couple self-tapping screws. Alright folks, there you have it, all installed. So I'll clean up the mess and I'll get some good pictures, but yeah, wasn't too bad. Really do like them, good product. So see you guys next time.